What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an entity on Arana. So all you need to do is navigate over here, select the entity option. So now some of you may be wondering what exactly an entity is. So let me explain. If you manage or run a delivery service and you want to use Arana to help make that process easier for you, you first need to create an entity. So an entity is basically a delivery service. So you're just creating a digital identity for your delivery service. So all you need to do is, if you have time, you can read through this text. It explains the benefits you get from creating an entity on Arana. So once you do that, all you need to do is select the proceed option or tap the proceed button. You can either tap here or come over here to create a new entity. So I'm just going to use the proceed button. Now, creating an entity is a very simple process and a quick one. So all you need to do is provide a display picture for your entity by selecting this option, entering your entity name and your entity email. Now your entity name should be the name for your registered business, your registered delivery service. That's what you will have to provide here. Then your entity email will be whatever email you want to receive notifications and messages with from Arana. So that's what you provide here, and you simply tap the create entity button. So I'm going to show you what a created entity looks like. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, so before I show you what a created entity looks like, you need to be aware that after you tap the create entity button, you also need to provide a payment method for accepting payments, and also you also need to verify your entity before you be directed to the profile page of your entity. So it's all a seamless process. You just need to, after you've provided your details and you tap the create entity button, it takes you to another page where you have to provide your where you'll be asked to provide a payment method for accepting payments, and then you have to select it. Then you also need to provide, you also need to verify your entity by providing your certification documents. So you should just take note of that. Okay, so once you've done everything that is required, this is what you are met with. This is how your entity's profile page would look like. So you can decide to change the name of your entity or the email address of your entity. So yeah, basically that's what it takes to create an entity. So in the next video I'll show you the operations you can perform using an entity. Thank you.